Your home hides a silent guardian you never notice. This unassuming device protects your family daily. Every sink, shower, and toilet has one vital component. It's called the ptrap, often tucked beneath your fixtures. Most people never consider its crucial everyday function. Yet this simple curve prevents serious household dangers. Without it, noxious sewer gases would fill your living space. Let's uncover the hidden story of your home's ptrap. Ancient civilizations faced a foul, unhealthy problem. Open sewers released dangerous, disease-carrying fumes indoors. In these homes were often unventilated, plagued by environments terrible, persistent odors. The need for an effective barrier was critically apparent.
Disease spread rapidly in these unventilated environments.
The need for an effective barrier was critically apparent. Then came Alexander Cumming, a Scottish watchmaker. In 1775, he patented the first water closet with an S-trap. This curved pipe held a small amount of standing water. That water created an essential, airtight gas barrier. Cumming's design revolutionized indoor sanitation forever. It stopped sewer gases from entering homes effectively. His innovation marked a pivotal moment in public health. The S-trap evolved into the more common P-trap today. The P-trap adds a horizontal section to prevent siphoning. Siphoning can easily empty an S-trap, breaking the seal. Modern P-traps are designed for maximum water retention. They maintain the crucial water seal against nasty gases. Plumbing codes like UPC strictly mandate P-trap usage. This ensures consistent protection for every household. A properly installed P-trap safeguards your family's health. Many dyers overlook P-trap maintenance and installation. Leaving a drain unused for months can dry out the trap. This evaporation breaks the essential protective water seal. Always pour water down unused drains periodically. Improper venting can also cause traps to siphon dry. Ensure your plumbing system has adequate vent pipes. A loose P-trap connection causes frustrating, slow leaks. Regularly check your P-traps for any signs of damage. Don't ignore foul odors. They signal a compromised trap. Replacing a P-trap is a straightforward, empowering DIY task. The humble P-trap is truly a hidden marvel. From 18th century innovation to modern safety standard, it's a testament to simple, effective engineering design. Now you understand its critical, unseen role in your home. Appreciate this small device for its massive health impact. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.